Info objects are basic building blocks in SAP BW system. So info objects has been classified into two categories. One is characteristic info objects. Second is the key figure info objects. Characteristic info objects are non-measure fields. Whereas key figure info objects are measure fields. So characteristic info objects has been classified into different types of attributes. We can call it as attributes. What are the attributes here? Attributes are nothing but properties of info object characteristics. There are different types of attributes are defined here. One is display attributes. Two is navigation attribute. Three is exclusive attributes. Four is time dependent navigation attributes. Transitive attributes. Compounding attributes. So these are the different types of attributes here. Let us see how to create info object characteristics and followed by attributes. And in SAP BW system, data loading mainly involves two types: master data loading and transaction data loading. Master data loading. Second is the transaction data loading. Under master data loading, info object characteristic we would like to consider here, and to load the master data we would like to use the target is info object characteristic. In the case of transaction data loading, two data targets we will use. One is info queue, second is the DSO. Let us see how to create info objects. Open the SAP logon pad. Login with BI system. Provide the login credentials. go to workbench. First of all, under workbench, go to modeling, go to info provider. So go to right side, create info area. Let us create info area, ZIA square SK1. Now successfully info area will be created. Same info area will be created in info objects panel also. Go to info objects, select the info area, right click on info area, create info object catalog. Let us create two catalogs here, characteristic catalog and key figure catalog. Then activate. So let us create one more catalog for the key figure. Then create, then activate. Now right click on characteristic catalog, create info objects here. I would like to create a couple of info objects. ZP number, provide the description here, product number. Then choose the data type num_c, provide the length 6. Then activate. Similarly, let us create one more info object characteristic. Right click on characteristic catalog, create info object, then provide ZPN SK1, product name. Choose the data type characteristic, then length is 20, enable the lowercase letters checkbox, then activate it. And create one more ZSUP SK1 and provide the description supplier. Choose the data type here, characteristic, length is 20, enable the lowercase letters checkbox, then activate. Similarly, create one more, right click on characteristic catalog, create info object, then provide the phone number, then provide phone number, data type is num_c, consider length is the 10, then activate. So we have created here a couple of info objects, product number, product name, supplier and phone number. Now let us make other info objects as attributes to the product number. Right click on product number to change, go to attributes tab, so add the attributes here, remaining info objects as attributes here. ZPN SK1, then supplier COP sk1, then phone number ph sk1. So we have added info objects as attributes here. By default, attributes has been added as a display attributes. So what is the exclusive attribute here? Exclusive attribute is a display attribute. How to make it? So here we should disable the checkbox here. Then it is an exclusive attribute. If you enable the checkbox, it acts as a display. If you disable the checkbox, it acts as an exclusive display attribute. To make the attribute as a navigational, so yes, when checkbox is there, navigation attribute on or switch, on the switch, then all the attributes are converted as a navigational. So how to make the transitive attribute here? If you open the supplier info object, if you go to here attributes tab, if you create any attribute here, it is a transitive attribute to the product number. So supplier is attribute of product number. If you add any attribute to the supplier, it is a transitive attribute of the product number. Compounding attribute is the last step here. So if you enable the compounding attribute by enable the checkbox master data locally for source system. Now compounding attribute will be assigned to it. It is a superior info object to the product number. Then activate, continue, and yes. Now successfully attributes we have added to the product number. So right click on the product number, click on maintain master data. You can see the structure of master data. Provide the login credentials. Now see the structure of the master data product number here. This is the attribute information, product number, product name, supplier, phone number. If you go to the text, product number, language and description.